Jogjangtek area commander of the Kuki National Front, Zogam KNZ, identified as 39-year-old Nohgin Kuki, alias Tiger Nohgin, in connection with the abduction and murder of Linthoingambi-Hemanjit. A joint team comprising the CBI, Central Security Forces and Churatanpur Police apprehended the suspect in Churatanpur early yesterday morning. His arrest falls under CBI case numbers RC13S/2023 and RC14S/2023, which involved IPC sections 201, 204, 212 and 364. The case traces back to the July 6, 2023 incident in which Linthoingambi-Hemanjit went missing. The two students were presumed dead after social media photos surfaced on September 25th, with one image showing them alive in captivity and another showing their bodies on the ground. Following the arrest, a CBI team led by ASP Jeevan Bhagat flew Tiger Nohgin from Imphal International Airport to Ghty on an Indigo flight around 4:30 p.m. yesterday. It is said that the interrogation procedures began after the agency produced him before the special judge, CBI and NIA Kanpur court. Tiger Nohgin was the last of the 5 key suspects listed in the CBI investigation to be detained. The other 4 co-accused individuals, identified as Paumilun Hauke, as Malswam Hauke, Lingneichong Baite Kuki and Tinei Heng Hengtak, were arrested earlier, and the agency had already submitted their formal charge sheet to the court. CLP leader Kaisham Megachandra stated that other than handing over